Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is DURSUN Akaslan, the conference chair. I am working in the Department of Computer Engineering in Harran University. At the beginning of my speech, I would like to describe the virtual reality. In my belief, virtual reality is described as the simulation of objects or persons belonging to the past, present, or future in order to be displayed in digital media. That means virtual reality is independent from time because you can model some things in the past, in the present, or even in the future. What about digital media? What types of digital medias are required in virtual reality? The digital media used for the reality is not limited to the utilization of desktop computers, but also diversified as tablet, laptop, smartphone, and all-in-one computers. Because virtual reality means virtuality. It means digital media, any type of digital media is sufficient for virtual reality. There are many types of applications related to virtual reality. Today, virtual reality is used in medicine, in communication, in health, in entertainment, in education, and of course, in airways. If you want to simulate anything, any object or person in our life or in imaginary life or virtual life, yes, we can use virtual reality. Today, applications related to virtual reality are extensively used in military, airline, entertainment, and education, but also manifest themselves in tourism. For example, Turkey is a very wide country, but the regional development movements can only be evaluated in the enhancement of touristic supply potential in countries like Turkey, provinces, and villages where the industry is not very concentrated. There are two types of method for virtual reality: static applications and dynamic applications. We can use virtual reality glass just to watch the virtual world. Moreover, we can even control the virtual role. For example, we can control the or avatar in the virtual world by using controller, movement controller or something like that. It is just choice. Virtual reality is becoming more and more important for Harran University. We are so keen modeling the our university campus. But modeling is not sufficient for the virtual reality. Also, we need to texture and render the modeling for the best display. For this reason, we need to model all the architecture in the campus of the Harran University. After that, we can, of course, texture the models to make sure they look natural. Because virtual reality is becoming more and more important, we organized the first edition of the International Conference on Virtual Reality, and we continue. Today, we are so honored and happy to open the second edition of the International Conference on Virtual Reality. We have 9 keynote speakers from 8 different countries. Professor Dr. Ramesh Sharma from India, Professor Dr. Efilai Chonglo from England, Professor Dr. Alfredo Matta from Brazil, Professor Dr. Sezai Tashkan from Turkey, Associate Professor Dr. Mohammed Muzammal from Pakistan, Assistant Professor Dr. Fatia Lohol from Libya, Dr. Yashul Sharma from India, Ms. Ines Setiawan from Indonesia, and Mr. Majman Humra from Japan. Thank you very much for their acceptance. I would like to express again here. We have many authors from different universities of the Turkey, including Marmara, Akdeniz, Bingöl, Istanbul Gedik, Başkent, and Istanbul Technic University. As you see, this conference is widely take the attentions from different parts of the Turkey. Moreover, virtual reality is a new topic, the latest technology of information and communication technologies. But the interest in the virtual reality is so widely. Right? As you see, there are many academicians from different titles like professor, associate professor, lecturer, researcher, even PhD and master students. That means academic world is becoming more and more interested in the virtual reality regardless of their titles. I wish you a very pleasant conference. I hope you will like this, the second edition of the conference, and you will be in our campus in the next year. Thank you very much for your listening and your attendance.